What up? So, a few good shots later. What is it? Butterscotch, cinnamon, and of course the root beer. Now we got the fucking 99 apples, man. Cheers. Yeah, that's not enough for a strikeout. But, cheers. We're going to take it old school. Ooh. Not bad. Did almost get nicked a little on the side of the thumb, but I haven't did one since last year. I think when I attempted it, it might have been a PBR, and I was just like, you know. But, damn. Not one of my favorites, but tolerable. The one I'll never drink again of these is the espresso. Count me out. Fuck you, espresso. You tore up my stomach like no liquor before. So, is that an apple natural ice I'm tasting? Oh my god. Alright, I gotta go. My fucking my storage is running out.